Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change the background in a video with a mosaic background on ShotCut. So in here, I'm going to click on create and select the videos. Okay, I've already added the video into the ShotCut timeline, and in here what you need to do is click on the clip and find the cutout option, and here choose the mosaic BG or background. So just choose the style. There are square, triangle, hexagon, blur, and also glass. Let's try the hexagon. So just choose the style that you want. Okay, so it will become like that, and you can also adjust the intensity and also the opacity of the mosaic. When you're done, just click on a check icon. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.